Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippines. We're here now in Puerto Princesa underground river. We're inviting you to come and visit and also especially to participate our 2024 ICF Dragon Boat World Championship. See you all!
Hello everybody! Hello paddlers from all over the world. We are now here on Palawan Island. You should come, you should participate in the 2024 ICF World Dragon Boat Championship. This is an amazing place. The people here are so nice. There's so much things to see, to visit. Come, be part of this very good experience.
Hi everybody. On behalf of ICF, I have to thank the mayor of the Puerto Princesa City that we are going to host the ICF Dragon Boat World Championship this year in November. Actually, this area here is very comfortable and suitable for dragon boat races and all the water sports. And hope that all of you will come in to enjoy the championship.
So I'm here in Puerto Princesa, Philippines, and this is the place where the competitions in October from the International Dragon Boat World Championship will take place, and I invite all teams, all participants to join us for this competition.
Good day everyone. On behalf of the vibrant city of Puerto Princesa, I extend our gratitude to the officials of the International Canoe Federation for choosing Puerto Princesa as the venue for the 2024 Dragon Boat World Championship. We cordially invite all the national Dragon Boat teams to come and join us in the 2024 Dragon Boat World Championship, which will be held in the city of Puerto Princesa, Philippines. Come and experience the warmth, hospitality, and friendliness of the Filipino people.